What is up guys, Diego Prime here, back again with another video, and today is on another unboxing day, and as you can see on the title, it is the WWE Undisputed Championship version 2, and I just got it from WWE shop, and I got this just today. And as you can see, this big box right here, and we're going to open it right now, and I'm very excited to show you guys the belt. So without further ado, let's proceed to this unboxing. Alright, so this is it. I'm going to put it out of the box. More papers, more plastic. Oh, it is heavy. Again, and this is my second replica belt on my collection. Here you go, and we're just gonna take this off from the plastic as usual. And here it is, guys. The WWE Undisputed Championship Replica version 2. So, let's take it out from the bag. Let me fix the camera a little bit. Okay. On the papers, a lot of plastic. So we'll just take this off. Alright guys. Now the big reveal, the WWE Undisputed Championship Replica version 2 in 3, 2, 1. Is it awesome, guys? Oh man! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Here you go, guys. The WWE Undisputed Championship from WWE shop, and look at that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, and this is one of my dream belts in my collection, and finally I have it right now. Here you go, guys. So let me show you a closer look from the side plates. Can you take your finger off right there? And what is very unique with this championship is the curve right here. It has a big curve, and the side plates are thick. It is amazing. So guys, this is the WWE Undisputed Championship Replica version 2, and this is, I believe, from the version 1, it was kind of small compared to this, and as you can see, again, let me show you a closer look again. It is very unique. It has the big curve, and as I said, it has a big curve, and the plates are thick, and it is very, very awesome. So, short history, when Chris Jericho won 2 championships on the same night. That was winning the WCW World Heavyweight Championship against The Rock, and then Chris Jericho defeated Stone Cold Steve Austin for the WWE Championship. And the following is at WrestleMania when Triple H won those 2 titles, and it became unified when Ric Flair unveiled this championship right here. So it became the WWF at the time Undisputed Championship, and Hulk Hogan won also this championship, and this became prestigious. So yeah, notable superstars who won this championship, you know, of course, Triple H, Hulk Hogan, Kurt Angle, Brock Lesnar, The Rock, JBL, John Cena, and of course, my favorite WWE superstar who win this championship is none other than Eddie Guerrero. So he won this championship, I believe, against Brock Lesnar at No Way Out pay-per-view. So it is awesome that I have this championship right here. Alright guys, so that is it for my unboxing of the WWE Undisputed Championship, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. As usual guys, like this video if you like it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Diego Prime, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next videos. This is Diego Prime, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.